Well, it looks like we've inherited 2 Kawasaki's, Cody. Shine the light down the spark plug holes. There's some sort of liquid in the hole. I'm guessing it's not oil or gas.
Yeah, I think we're definitely going to have our work cut out for us for 4 days.
If you're doing this in your garage, it's not realistic to do in 4.5 days. Obviously, we have a lot of resources. We have a lot of knowledgeable people and a great facility to do this at, which makes it a reality. I'm gonna do you some favors, motorcycle. There's no doubt about it.
Try to get some penetrating fluid on all the bolts that literally have not came off since 1981.